In this video, you will learn how to move a page to another location in Notion. For example, I want to move this page called Move This Page. Look at Move This Page in the left sidebar. Move your mouse over the page name. Click the three dots next to it. In the menu, click Move To. A list of pages will appear. Now, I'll choose a page called Move It Here. The page moves instantly to the new location. Now, go to the page you moved it to. Open the page called Move It Here. You can see Move This Page is now inside this page. Move it here. This means the page is in a new location. All the content inside Move This Page stays the same. That's how you move a page in Notion.